viewers. This is Dr.S.Latha, Associate Professor, Department of Information Technology, Coveri College for Women. In this video, we will see about TCP/IP protocol suite in a computer network. Introduction. Computer network is a group of computers that are connected together for sharing some resources or information. It has the components like hardware and software. If you take the hardware components of a computer network, it includes client, server, transmission medium, and interfaces devices. Some examples for the hardware components are hub, switch, router, cables, etc. The software components in a computer network includes operating systems and protocols. In the protocols, the OSI and the TCP/IP protocol suites are the important protocols. They provide the guidelines to perform the communication. In the OSI protocol model, there are 7 layers, whereas in the TCP/IP model, it only has 5 layers. We will see in detail about the transfer control protocol and the internet protocol, simply TCP/IP protocol suite. It has 5 layers. Each layer has its unique functions. First, the physical layer. It has the transceiver that drives the signals on the network. Then, data link layer. It is responsible for creating the frames that moves across the network. Then, network layer. It creates the packets that move across the network. Transport layer. It establishes the connection between applications on different hosts. Finally, the application layer. It consists of a group of applications requiring for the network connections. If you consider the TCP/IP protocol suites, each and every layer uses different protocols for its functioning. The physical layer uses IEEE 802.11 and 10-base-T. Data link layer uses Wi-Fi and Ethernet. Network layer uses IP, that is Internet Protocol. Transport layer uses the protocols as TCP and UDP. TCP, Transfer Control Protocol; UDP, User Datagram Protocol. Finally, the application layer uses HTTP and SMTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. For the communication, each and every layer shares its information in different forms of data units. Each layer of the source, it communicates with the other layers of the destination with different data units. If you consider the physical layer of the source, it shares the information with the physical layer of the destination in the form of bits. Data link layer uses the data units as frames. Network layer uses packets. Transport layer uses the data units as segments or datagrams. The application layer uses messages as data units. If you take the communication between the layers of TCP, diagrammatically we are representing the physical layer to physical layer, that is the source physical layer to the destination physical layer. Likewise, the source data link layer to data link layer, network layer to network layer, transport layer to transport layer, and application to application layer of the destination. But the actual communication is taking place. The application layer of the source communicates the information to the transport layer, its own transport layer, then transport layer to the network layer to data link layer, then data link layer to physical layer. The physical layer transmits the information in the form of bits to the physical layer of the destination. Here in the destination, the approach is just reverse of the source layers. So here the physical layer to data link layer, data link layer to network layer to transport layer, and transport layer to application layer. Likewise, the communications are taking place between the source and the destination. Thank you. In this video, we have seen about the TCP/IP protocol suite. In the next video, we will see about the OSI layers and its functions. Thank you.